Hi guys, this is Nurullah Öktem from Turkey, and in this video I am going to teach you how to pronounce Turkish letters. So let's get started with the first letter. A, A, B, B, C, C, Ç, Ç, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. This letter is a little bit complicated. We call it yumuşak G. Yumuşak G. And the way we pronounce it is a little bit different, but I'm going to show it on some examples. Let's move on with the other letters. H, H. Some people say hush, but in general we say H, H. I, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, Ö, Ö, P, P, R, R, S, S, Ş, Ş, T, T, U, U, Ü, Ü, V, V, Y, Y. And the final letter is Z, Z. Well, now you have an idea about how to pronounce the letters one by one when it comes to spelling. And I want to show you how to pronounce the words in Turkish. I prepared a list of words for you, and let's start with the first one. Ara, ara, araba, araba, balık, balık, baba, baba, cisim, cisim, ceket, ceket, çocuk, çocuk, çiçek, çiçek, dede, dede, derya, derya, elma, elma, ekip, ekip, fakat, fakat, fare, fare, gene, mi, gemi, giysi, giysi. Now we have yumuşak G sound here and here you can see them. Now all you need to do is to say the final sounds just a little bit longer. Just like this. Da, da. It's like you are saying the A sound a little bit longer. Now the other example. Ağaç, ağaç. It's like you're saying a long A. Ağaç. Yeah, this one was the most complicated one. G sound, but it's a little bit different. As I said before, we call it yumuşak G, and we have no words starting with yumuşak G sound. But yeah, we use it in words, sometimes as the final sound. Okay, let's move on. Hap, hap. Hastane, hastane, hastane. Işık, ışık, ışık. Ilık, ılık. İki, iki. İçecek, içecek, içecek. Jilet, jilet. Jelatin, jelatin, jelatin. Kek, kek. Kapı, kapı. Leke, leke, leke. Leylek, leylek. Mama, mama. Masa, masa. Nane, nane. Nar, nar. On, on. Okul, okul. Öğrenci. Here, as you noticed, we have yumuşak G sound. So we say ö, a little bit longer. Öğrenci, öğrenci. And now, again, we have the same sound. Öğretmen, öğretmen, öğretmen. Para, para. Peçete, peçete. And here are some other words to study. Let's go on. Radyo, radyo. Rüzgar, rüzgar. Ses, suluk, suluk. Şişe, şişe. Şaşkın, şaşkın. Tut. Tarla, tarla. Uçak, uçak. Umut, umut. Üzüm, üzüm. Üzgün, üzgün. Vali, vali. Veda, veda. Yol, yol. Yapı, yapı. Zarf, zarf. Zafer, Zafer. Well, as you noticed, it is not so difficult to pronounce words in Turkish. All you need to do is just to practice, and soon you will feel the difference. And that's all for today. See you in the next videos.